Okay, so for today's episode, we do have a mail time. You guys can see we have 4 sneaker boxes right here. 2 of them obviously are Nike because Nike is still doing this. We're 4 months into 2019 and they still have these branded boxes. We also have a special one you can see over here, hashtag Ohana. This one is actually from a subscriber, so it should be pretty cool, guys. We got a lot of cool stuff in here, a lot of great sneakers. So if you guys are interested in today's mail time unboxing, then stay tuned. That is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a mail time unboxing. 4 boxes to unbox today with a total value of like over $1,000. $1,000 worth of sneakers, which is a lot. So I'm excited, I want to get into it, but before we get into it, I do want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. It is actually Rose Gold and Black's 2-year anniversary this month of April 2019. So they're having a huge sale on their website. If you guys go to the link in the description below and you click on that link, typically before it would be like 25% off, but during the month of April, so I think we got like a week or 2 left, you do get 40% off. 40, so that's huge, plus free shipping. So if there was ever a time to buy stuff from Rose Gold and Black, you need to do it now in April. They do have a lot of great items. You guys see me wearing them on the videos all the time. One of the ones that I'm wearing today is that RG&B grenade necklace. I'll put it up over here on the screen. Very good piece. Additionally, I'm also wearing a beaded bracelet, which is very cool. They got a whole bunch of necklaces, a whole bunch of bracelets. They got a lot of good stuff on their website. Premier jewelry, very minimal look though, which is great. And obviously great prices at 40% off. So I highly recommend you guys check it out. Link is in the description below. And don't forget to purchase before the end of April because it will go back to 25% off after April is done. So get on it, guys, get on it. Anyway, thank you to RG&B for sponsoring this video, and let's get into the unboxings. So the first box that we have is a special box. I actually purchased this one from a subscriber of the channel. You can kind of tell from the hashtag Ohana on the box, which I think was a nice touch. I'm not a big fan of branded boxes, obviously, these Nike ones, but this branding is pretty nice. I can do this. Anyway, let's see what we got in here. Oof. Okay, so the guy's name that we bought from is Bud Sneakers. You guys can check it out over here. He left his like a little business card or whatever. Pretty cool. I like the uniqueness of it, trying to create his own business, which is really sick. He also dropped in a free shirt, I guess, over here, which is dope. Bud's Sneakers, support your local sneaker shop. Obviously, we want to support the Ohana, which is why I copped this shoe. The shoe that we actually did cop is a pair of 350s. So this one is in a size 9. It is one of the ones that just came out, and the shoe is a pair of Yeezy 350 clays. We've been over this shoe a couple times on the series now. This one is probably my second favorite colorway now. I think I like this one better than the Hyperspace, but this one is in dead stock condition, brand new. Bud Sneakers was selling it for a steal of a price. I did not get an Ohana hookup, unfortunately, but price was so great that I couldn't pass it up. It was like 320 bucks or something. Very good steal. So decided to cop this one, and it's just really great to like help support people that support me, you know. So Bud's is part of the Twitch fam. I've talked to him a bunch on Twitch before. If you guys want to hang out with me on there, it is twitch.tv/untiedhawaii. I'm streaming maybe a couple times a week now. Pretty busy, but when I can stream, I will. Additionally, I believe he's a channel member. I'm not sure. I would think he is, but anyway, if you guys haven't heard about the channel memberships yet, basically what you have to do is click join on a desktop, and what that does is it puts you into like a private community on YouTube where I can put like a whole bunch of community posts on there. You get like these nice badges when you comment down below, $10 off the web store discounts that you can use unlimited amounts of time, and you also get access to secret drops where I drop free shoes on the web store. I've just been doing a whole bunch of stuff with those guys. I've literally given out like 50 free shirts so far, so it is what it is, man. I love the community over there. As much as I can give back, I will. So yeah, thank you to Buds. Love supporting the guys that support me. 350 clay. All right, so we got a couple Nike boxes here now. So Nike's still doing this branded box stuff, I guess. I don't know why. I thought they were cutting it out, but guess not. I think I opened it up from the bottom. So the first box that we have today is a Jordan 1 box. This one is in a size 11, and I have never seen this shoe before, so I'm pretty excited for it. And you guys can check it out over here. I'm not sure if you've seen it yet. I'm sure you guys have seen this shoe a lot by now, but this is the first time I've seen it in person. Looking at it, it doesn't look that bad, man. This looks actually pretty clean. Like, the leather is not premium. You guys can check it out over here. It's like some kind of like tougher leather. It's not very soft, but it still has a good look to it. I like the color blocking that they did. It's kind of like a bread toe kind of look, you know, where the toe box over here is colored the same color as whatever's back here. So I really like this shoe. Bottoms are really nice too, and it is as close as you are gonna get to the rust pinks, and for a fraction of the cost, because I think this one is going for like maybe 210, 200. on the resale market right now. Whereas like a rust pink, which almost looks exactly the same, goes for like over $4,000 or something. Now it's insane. I would definitely cop these because I do think this value will go up over time. It's not like a typical Jordan 1 where it's like part of the bread toe line or part of like, you know, the Breads, Black Toes, or Chicago's or anything like that. The leather is a lot different, so it won't fall into that same family. However, because the color is so unique, I do believe it will go off in resale over time, and it's just something you should cop now because it is a nice shoe. I like this. I'm gonna be wearing mine. But yeah, great look, great shoe. I'm actually really happy with this. Not sure why it comes with green laces. I don't know why that green would match with this. That's kind of confusing. Okay, so that's 2 shoes. We have 2 left. This one is also from Nike. Woof, and I'm excited for this one, man, because this is a unique pair of shoes. So this is actually an Air Max. You guys can see right here in Nike on Air on the box. Other than that, it's just a plain black box. Oh, okay, so we have extras first. You guys can see over here, there's like a little card that comes in the box, I guess. No maze, no life, Yuta Takuman. I'll get into this in a little bit. Also, the paper on here is kind of unique. You guys can see Paris, London, Seoul. But the shoe that we actually got is right here, and this thing is freaking nice in hand, man. This is really, really nice. You guys can check it out over here. This is the Air Max 1 Yuta Takuman Maze edition. So you guys can see over here, this is like a maze-like pattern running all over the shoe. Additionally, it also has like these rainbow laces to kind of create a color pop there. And they also come with like 4 different laces here. And I guess like some patches. I'm not sure what the patches are for. You guys can see Tokyo Maze Air Max on this. Got some color patches. I don't know where that's supposed to go on this shoe or if it's just extras in general, but it is a great story. So the Nike On Air is like a contest that was run, I think a couple months back. And basically what you did is you had a whole bunch of creators, I think there was like 18 or something, from different like iconic cities in the world. And what happened was it was like a contest per se where they would pick a couple Air Maxes that were like best voted. And from there, that's where you got these shoes. So I voted for a couple, but I got early access for this one, the Tokyo Mazes, because I had to vote for Tokyo, man. The shoe is very, very clean. Plus, I'm Japanese, so you know what it is. Anyway, I am very happy with this pickup. The resale on these aren't great. Like, I think it's like 50 bucks over, but the thing is, it's like, it's a very nice shoe. The story is really great. And the reason why Yuta Takuman like wanted to do this like kind of design is he said it was because it represents Tokyo's like winding mazes of like their underground like subway systems. And additionally, just Tokyo, the city in itself, is like kind of one big maze. So I really like that concept, and it obviously is a very unique Air Max. Like if you look at this, you automatically know what it is, and I think that's pretty cool. I think it was the Shanghai's that had the best resale value, and then after that is probably the Souls. Both of those were kind of cool, but I didn't think they were as nice as this one. So that's why I copped this. Anyway, very cool pickup. Very, very happy to have this in the collection. Great story too, man. I love shoes that have good stories to them. All right, so we got to the last shoe. Okay, and this is gonna be the first time I'm ever unboxing a 4D shoe on the channel. This one is a ZX4000 4D. It's called the Carbon, and this box is super sick. Ooh, interesting, interesting. Oh, it even folds up over here. That's cool. All right, I'm geeking out over the box. Anyway, this is what the shoe looks like. ZX4000, very interesting shoe. You guys can see that 4D technology right here. Like, it has a lot of cushion here, a lot of give. You guys can see back here, it says ZX4000 4D. All around, just really nice sneaker. The problem with these sneakers though, is that their retail was like 350 bucks. So that's very, very expensive for retail for a shoe. It's supposed to be that expensive because of like the technology that it has, ultra comfortable. It's like supposed to be the tech of the future, but 350 bucks is a lot of money, man. That's like basically somebody's whole paycheck. So I don't agree with that. The resale kind of shows that off too, where there isn't much resale on this thing. I think you can sell it for maybe like $30 or $40 over the price. It's because that general price of 350 was much too high. If these sold for like 200 bucks, I think then you would have like a winner, but that's not the case. Anyway, this is a cool shoe. Definitely like seeing it in hand, and I think this technology hopefully will become more like cost friendly in the future, just as long as they keep producing more of them. It is what it is, man. I like this box more than anything else. This box is sick. I don't know, I'm a sucker for like cool design boxes. This is a really nice box. Very convenient. I wish they put Yeezys into these boxes. This would be sick. Anyway, that is it for this mail time episode, guys. 4 sneakers in here, a lot of unique shoes in here. We got 2 Adidas, 2 Nike, good mix of stuff. Got some stuff from the Ohana. It was just really a good mail time, man. I really like this one. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like button. If you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe down below. And if you guys want to join the channel memberships, feel free to hit that join button as well. Thank you to Rose Gold and Black for sponsoring this video. Do not forget to go down to the description if you guys want to cop some dope jewelry. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next video. Aloha, shoot!